I'm researching literacy embedding in further education vocational subjects. The way that we teach literacy in post-16 isn't as effective as it could be. We tend to silo literacy into subject English rather than understanding it as something which is specific to subjects. So, for example, the way that a scientist would think and speak and write and read is quite different from the way that would happen in business, for example. I worked for an academic year with several teachers in one college. I collected lots of data in terms of recordings, lesson observations, lots and lots of teaching materials, photos of students' work. The place that I'm hoping this will have an impact is for teachers. What I want to be able to do, I hope to, is to make some policy suggestions for how we can develop systems that will help teachers. My idea is to make some little videos which will be training videos for teachers, where I want to outline the approaches, the actual practical teaching approaches that teachers can use that would be effective to teach literacy in the subject. And along with these, I want to produce some editable resources that teachers can adapt for their own content. I also want to make some practical toolkits for teachers. So I'm learning a lot about literacy embedding, about what the actual bits of knowledge are for subject-specific literacy. And what I'm trying to do now is kind of piece it together in terms of what it actually means. So what I'm asking myself is, what knowledge do teachers need to know in order to embed literacy, in order to include literacy as an objective into their lessons? And also, how can teachers be best supported to develop that knowledge?